Looking for an affordable and premium stroller wagon to help support your life on the go? If so, choose the ever-advanced stroller wagon. Unlike other heavy and hard-to-use strollers and baby cars, this product is both innovative and user-friendly. This wagon features an auto-lock on the side frame, brakes, a 5-point harness, and an anti-shock system on all wheels for a smooth ride. Also included are a removable canopy and plenty of storage. Ever Advanced is a professional home accessories manufacturer that has focused on the enjoyable play and growth of children for more than 30 years. With premium material and user-friendly designs, you can never go wrong with Ever Advanced. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Adjustable handles. This foldable stroller wagon features user-friendly handles for easy control and an adjustable push handle with a detachable integrated tray and a 3-section telescopic pull handle. Number 2. Locking design. This wagon is designed with an auto-lock on the side frame, brakes, 5-point harness, and anti-shock system on all wheels. The lock-unlock step is under the wagon for easy use. Number 3. Canopy and storage. Stay in the shade and protected from the elements with a removable canopy for sunny or rainy days. This wagon has a large capacity and a large backpack storage pocket, cup holder, and a cover pocket to provide plenty of storage space. Number 4. Sturdy construction. Made of premium raw material, this collapsible folding wagon is easy to set up and is both durable and sturdy. Upgraded wheels and frames create a smooth ride. Number 5. Versatile usage. Whether for indoor or outdoor use, this stroller wagon is perfect for kids ages 2 to 7 years old. It is also a great Christmas, birthday, or baby shower gift idea for your friends, family, or any other new parents. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.